Hello there, Facebook users. Today we'll show you how to hide other people's posts from your profile on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your web browser and navigating to facebook.com. Step 2. From the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile photo to open your Facebook profile. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots icon and click on it. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. Step 5. On the left menu, click on Your Activity Across Facebook. Step 6. Under Your Activity Across Facebook, click on Posts. Step 7. Click on Other People's Posts to your feed. Step 8. Locate the desired post and click on the 3 dots next to it. Step 9. From the options, choose Hide from Profile. That's it. You've successfully hidden other people's posts from your profile on Facebook using your PC. Remember, this action only hides the post from your profile and doesn't affect its visibility on others' feeds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.